footage of the meet at least. Either way, wish us luck. See you guys when we get there. You got your gas?
20? 57 even.
50, that's luck.
Yeah, that is luck.
That's luck.
I needed it today.
Look at that.
Does that mean I'm going to be running good tomorrow? I guess
Oh,
I'm not
no.
really driving tomorrow.
You got me with you.
Yeah, I mean, that's good. I'm
we're-
glad you're coming because if something breaks, we got the champion.
We got this figured out. Dusty's doing good so far. No need to fill up for me.
Low key, truck's faster than Dusty. He can't keep up on the highway.
I just can't keep up with anything you got.
I guess not, man.
Let's go. All right, we got it off. What time is it? 2 something.
2 a.m.
2, it's after 2.
Yeah.
Unloaded with a little rice rocket. And now
Baby rocket.
baby rocket. And now I'm gonna pass out soon. You ready?
Time.
It's time to go to sleep. Let's get to the house. It's 8 something. Barely slept, but we made it here. Tommy's ready. His little mini's ready. Adam's getting this monster started up. And the roadster's running. It's not a bad day. Say hi, Jimmy. So we're gonna head over to the meet and get set up. All right, we're here.
We're here.
We're here. This guy won't share his food with me. He's an asshole. See, he won't do it. He won't do it. This is like ultra last minute preparations going on. There's Macho Man Randy Savage. He's back.
Randy,
Yeah, he's back. He's balder.
like it's hitting me. My eyes. I'm so tired.
Happy birthday, Mike.
Thank you, Jack.
If you guys,
He's 43 years old.
He's either
just
23 or 55.
pretty much got the salt and pepper going on. Hey, a lot of people are jealous of that.
Yeah.
You know, don't be too. And chicks dig it. It's true. It's true. Chicks dig that too. Yeah. I spy an FD.
You know what my car's called?
I gotta get my paint on point like that. This thing is clean, really clean. What'd you say?
Huh?
What did I do?
You're getting stancy over there.
What, taking some videos? I'm trying to make it like, you
No,
know.
I thought like you did the in to out shot.
Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah.
Oh, it
I
looked
can't-
like you were doing like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. That like rolling focus
Like, when you
thing.
go like this, and you're like
I forget what they call it, like rolling focus or some stuff like that.
Into out.
Yeah.
in the out.
In to out. That's what I call it.
He's used to the in
In and out.
the out shot. You know,
He likes to take it in the out.
in the out.
In the out.
That's what you like in the
The
out.
long
I like
way.
The in.
He likes
the
the
out.
corn the long way, and he likes to take it in the out.
He likes to take it in the out.
No, stop.
That's what
not
you said.
No.
That's what you said.
You just said it.
You said it.
He did. Dusty's posted up. Not that you guys care now, but we'll see what kind of cool cars show up.
Shit, though, compared to the rest of the stuff.
So I'm out here at Adam's open house, and we're with you know
What's
who,
up?
that
How's it
dude in
going?
blue.
Yeah.
And he brought a really cool car. He was just showing me. You want to explain them exactly a little bit of what you did here?
Yeah, so my buddy George owns a shop up in Atlanta called GMG Automotive, and we split the cost of this car right down the middle. So he said, listen, you need to learn how to drift in something cheap, and we should also show everybody else that you can do it in something cheap. And so we found this E36. It has 365,000 miles on it.
365,000.
Yeah, running and driving, but for $180.
That's insane.
We bought the car for $180, and then after that we did an eBay angle kit, which essentially takes a little metal bracket that somebody CNC'd somewhere in the world, and all you do is relocate the tie rod and you relocate the bushing.
Just pushes it out so it changes the geometry.
And then you put E46 control arms on it, and then you have an angle kit.
That's so
cool. But it's to the point where you turn the wheel, you get stuck. You have angle.
This is like a entry-level budget drift car.
We did the whole car for $1,000.
Insane.
Yeah.
And he's got like cool parts. I mean, he's got a hydro in it.
The hydro
seats.
was $82. Yeah.
Got a wheel, got a quick release, got everything.
Yeah, no.
And it's painted.
Well, yeah.
Sort of.
Yeah, no, so it actually literally looked perfect at one point, but it started to rain really bad. And I pushed it. I basically had to. You ever seen the show Dexter?
Yeah.
You know, like his kill room?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I had to do in my garage.
Oh,
like
God.
saran wrap the whole place.
It looked like an operation.
Right. And I dipped the car in there, and then at one point, moisture got in.
But you made it.
We made it.
That's the important part.
It's good enough. It looks better than it was, and that's all that counts.
That's it. And a cool one little icing on the cake thing that you just showed me was these exhaust tips.
Yeah.
I walked up and I'm like, "Ah, these are so cool," because it's like a neochrome, and I love how there's like different colors. They're not exhaust tips.
Yeah.
What are they?
They're water bottles.
Water bottles.
Yeah.
So
We did
really
a whole
cool.
video, so that's gonna come out soon too. We did a whole video on how we did it. And
So go cruise over to his
yeah.
channel and check it out if you want to see all the
thank you.
details.
Yeah, I'm gonna release this as like an 8-part series back to back to back to back to back.
That's
so
good.
I'm stoked because no one really knows about it right now, and that actually makes me relieved because it was very stressful.
It's pretty
Lots
cool.
of really late nights, and because we got it aligned yesterday at 4 o'clock.
Insane.
And then started dipping it until 6 in the morning, then trailered it all the way here.
It's like a I want to say it's like the opposite in level of detail, but really the same thing as like a SEMA car.
Yeah.
Like a little SEMA
Rush.
operation you did. Yeah, the Rush.
And what's so funny is, I was telling you earlier off camera that it opened my eyes, dude. Like, you can have something so fun for so cheap if you do your research.
That's it.
Like, sometimes it is more convenient just to say screw it and buy a part. Sometimes that is the thing.
Yeah.
But with this, it was like, oh my God, we can do an angle kit for $200 or $300.
Insane. I cannot believe you
stuff
did
like
that. $1,000.
Meanwhile, Wise Fab's $1,200
Yeah.
or $1,100.
Well, go check out his channel. You want to see more of it?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go see what else we can find out here.
Finished with Missile last night. Yeah.
Should I name this 10 things I hate about TJ's FD?
Go.
No, I'm gonna name my video that. I can't have you.
I tried to steal it from you just now.
10 things I hate about
Look at that, huh? PPRE motor. Guys, this is pretty cool stuff. Haven't seen that yet. Pretty sweet.
It's pretty sweet for an FD.
You know
Just
what,
kidding, I
man?
love 'em.
Your attitude is really getting on me.
Getting on you?
Yeah, you're really starting
Dude, you're making it
to
weird.
rud knuckle me here.
Look at this crowd.
What do you think? Not bad, right?
Oh, Adam's revving something. Oh shit, Adam LZ. I thought everyone would run. That's how they have it.